Unlock smarter shopping in Canada by understanding how Klarna can turn large purchases into manageable payments right now. Klarna, the popular buy now, pay later service, is now available for Canadian shoppers seeking flexible payment options at a growing number of retailers. So, how do you actually use Klarna here in Canada? Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1 is finding a retailer that partners with Klarna. In Canada, you'll typically see the Klarna logo and payment options directly on their website during checkout. Many popular Canadian online stores are joining, so keep an eye out. Step 2. When you're at the checkout and choose Klarna, you'll be presented with different payment plans. The most common in Canada is often a pay-in-for-feed option, allowing you to split your purchase into 4 interest-free installments. You'll then need to complete a quick application directly through Klarna. This usually involves providing some basic personal information. Klarna performs a soft credit check to assess your eligibility. This means it won't affect your credit score, making it a low-risk way to see if you qualify. If approved, you'll confirm your payment plan and see your repayment schedule clearly laid out. The first installment is usually due at the time of purchase, with the remaining payments automatically deducted on a set schedule. It's crucial to understand that while many of Klarna's installment plans in Canada are interest-free for the pay-in-for-feed option, late fees can apply if you miss a payment. Always check the specific terms and conditions for any potential charges before completing your purchase. By understanding these steps and being aware of the repayment schedules and potential fees, Canadian consumers can confidently use Klarna to make their desired purchases more affordable and manageable. Shop smart. Shop with Klarna. #KLARNA. #Buy now, pay later.